everyone, my name is AnnaMarie and I'm with Celebrate Creations, and I have some awesome news to share with you. But first, I have been getting a lot of questions regarding my bracelet blanks. These come from a family-owned run business located here in the United States, which I love. Their website address is www.beadworksupplies.com. I will leave that link down below. These are some of my favorite sizes that I use. This is a 1/2 inch, a 1 inch, a 2 inch, and a 3 inch. They are all made of 20 gauge unpolished aluminum, and they're pretty sturdy. They're all 6 inches long. These ones have the rounded corners. They do offer the square if you choose. They also have a polished and satin finish, brass and copper. And right now they are offering an awesome 15% discount on your checkout with your order using the coupon code located there. I will also leave that down below. And with that, let me show you some of my creations that I created using these blanks. Okay everyone, this is my 1/2 inch right there, and this is a simple beaded cuff. It fits really nice and comfortable. It's fairly thin and it's really light in weight, pretty durable, and that is my 1/2 inch. This is a 2 inch, and this is a beaded cuff with a real agate stone. And when you're working with stones, it can get fairly heavy, so you need something that's going to be able to hold its shape and not get distorted, and this doesn't. Goes on really nice and easy, no buckling there, so comes off nice and easy. So when you're working with heavy stones and beads, this works really well. And this is another way of using a 2 inch. This is a Polymer Clay beaded cuff, and the 2 inch is right there. And even with the extension over the 2 inches, it's still pretty firm. It's still pretty firm, holds up really well, nice and light, and it goes on pretty comfortable. Comes off really nice. So it's just another way that you can use these cuffs, because they do hold up really well to lots of beadwork. This is my 3 inch right there, and this is a pretty good size polymer clay focal that was formed on the blank and baked, and then removed and put on another blank that I beaded around. So as you can tell, it's pretty comfortable, and I like that because it comes off fairly easy and goes on really easy. It can be shaped, it can be opened, but it does hold its shape, and that's what you're looking for, because if you're doing a lot of beadwork or polymer clay, you want it to hold its shape. You don't want these to be deformed or get twisted, because they do. But these, I find, don't do that, and I really like that. So another way that I use these bracelet blanks are, in my last tutorial, I created these polymer clay focals, and I baked them right on the bracelet blank, so it would have that really nice curve. And when I'm ready to bead around them, they have a beautiful little curve there. So it fits around the bracelet and it gives it a nice rounded finish. So that's another way that you can use these bracelet blanks. So these are some of the items that I created using these blanks. They help me. I hope they help you. And please do not forget to use that awesome 15% discount coupon code that I left down below. And please like, subscribe, and share if you like to see more tutorials. And again, thank you for watching.